What's up guys, you're watching the Sid Show, and if you're new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today we're going to talk about the Sony PlayStation 4 error. The error is CE-33987-0. It's a network connection error. I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. Go to the settings, then go to the network. Here we are at the network, and then view PlayStation network services. Sometimes the server is down, that's why you get this error, connectivity error. If the server is down, then you just wait. Simply will fix this up automatically, Sony will fix this up. And if the DNS is working and a connection is working, you go to the custom and set up a new connection. Go to the primary DNS. Here you change the DNS 8.8.8.8 and the secondary DNS 8.8.4.4 and connect with the new connection, and after that it will be work. So that's how that simply you can fix this up. And if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and like. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box.